Wind power is a form of energy conversion in which turbines convert the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical or electrical energy that can be used for power. However, these modern wind turbines generally refer to horizontal axis wind turbines, HOT, like the ones you can see on the TV. Although it's a source of green, renewable energy, it comes with disadvantages. It threatens wildlife, produces a lot of noise, and a visual pollution. To address those problems, we came up with an innovation. Introducing Road Wind Power Generator. This innovation is a vertical axis wind turbine, VA, which utilizes the wind generated from residential areas. This innovation features an hourglass design that combines the power of science and art. It eliminates visual pollution, noise problems, and wildlife concerns while at the same time being a source of green, renewable electricity. It utilizes the wasted energy in the form of wind generated by vehicles passing by. Also, the hourglass design isn't just for show. The funnels located at each side of the design squeezes the wind to turn the turbine more efficiently even at low winds. The wind then turns the turbine to generate electricity for public lighting equipment like lamp posts. In doing so, the electric consumption of the public lightings will be cut down. In the future, we are hopeful to make the innovation be efficient enough to generate electricity for a standard household consumption. The Road Wind Power Generator is a green, renewable source of electricity that utilizes the wasted energy generated by passing vehicles while not producing any kind of pollution. It is our solution for environmental problems caused by the dependency on fossil fuels that destroy our atmosphere. Thank you for watching.